the sovereignty, integrity, and dignity of the people of Kenya. So help me God.
Let me, in a very profound way, first congratulate General Kiboshi, our outgoing CDF, for an outstanding service, not just to our military, but to the nation of Kenya. Let me take this opportunity again to congratulate our new CDF, General Ogola. Congratulations on your appointment and ascension into the high office of CDF in the Republic of Kenya. In considering your appointment, I assessed your background, where you've come from, what you have done, your journey in the military, and I am satisfied that you merit the office. You have my confidence. You have the confidence of the government of Kenya to discharge your responsibilities in your new office. It is my expectation that the professional standard of the Kenyan military
Tukidina breni ya tena shio digidigi shio utogolia gatagati ka gavana wa kaunti ya Siaya James Orengoro hamwe na munini wake William Odul nishionekanite kwerekera ugenda ni thutha wa munini wake gutamania ikarona hadikia mohoro agithina brena gutetia tiru ni akoretwo agiteo na makiria kwaga ukorwo akinyita itemi micemani-ini mingirira atafanio ni thirikari ya gavana James Orengo maya mokite na ni thutha wake kwamukira no TV thiku igire hituku yawe gukorwo etitwo mucemanio no indi yahotire gwikinya kana hindi ria arekinyirie wabici-ini cia kaunti arahingiririo na kwaga kuingira mucemanio-ini uyo maya mokite riri utongoria uyu kana thigithigithite na mbere na kuonekana na makiria kaunti-ini iyo gukiri uguo ni oritie thirikari ni ya kaunti iyo itikire kuingirira undu uyu kuona ati maundu mambia kuthii uguo marathie waya kurehe njatukano na makiria utongoria-ini wa thirikari ya kaunti ya Siaya.
At around 2 p.m. I was told that the cabinet was in session and that I needed to go to the boardroom. But as I made my way to the governor's boardroom, I was stopped by security, by the stairs. Governor's security, including a few goons that stopped me by the stairs and told me that they had been given express instructions that I should not attend the cabinet. Now, I returned to my office quietly, and because of course I didn't want to create commotion in that particular building. I want to say this. The attending or not attending cabinet meeting is not the prerogative of the governor. That is my constitutional right. And I want to say that what happened yesterday is the very last that happened in Siaya. It will not happen again. I want to send out a very strong warning to parties that were involved in blocking me from accessing governor's boardroom to attend a constitutionally mandated duty. That was the last time they have done it. If governor called a cabinet meeting in his residence in Nyawara or Urenga, then I will not go. But if it is called at the county headquarters, then I will go. And I want to put it absolutely clear and to the public that any subsequent future cabinet meetings, I will be in attendance.
Tukidina mbere ni ati mabũrũri ma Kenya na Netherlands no meguthina mbere na kurutithania wira itemini ria kugacirithia ndũũ njega gatagati ka mabũrũri ma merĩ ni kuringana Baruthi wa bũrũri wa Netherlands gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ Martin Born ũrĩa arĩtio mahinda ma ũkũngũĩri wa mũthenya wa King's Day. Mũnene wake mũrũgamĩrĩri wa ũteti na ministry ya maũndũ ma nanja Baruthi George Orina nĩaugĩte atĩ bũrũri wa Netherlands nĩguo bũrũri wa gatatũ mũnene na ũrĩa ũgũraga indo iria ithondeketwo kana ithondekeirwo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
The three pillars of the strategy for cooperation in the coming 4 years. Very shortly from now, President Muratho will visit the Netherlands to strengthen those ties. And my Minister of Foreign Affairs, together with his Belgian and Luxembourg colleagues, will visit Kenya. More engagements are to come. In conclusion, today we celebrate excellent relations. With all difficulties and sobering developments in our countries and around us, Kenya and the Netherlands can rely on each other and will engage even more to find common solutions for the developmental, economic and stability challenges we both face. Three pillars are central to our strategy for Kenya. As I said, promotion of trade and investment, leaving no one behind, and strengthening stability.
The Netherlands is now the third largest export market for Kenya and the fourth largest foreign investor here in Kenya. We salute you, Excellency. We salute all the companies, some of which are represented here, for trusting us and having faith in Kenya and therefore investing in Kenya. And we want to tell you that Kenya is the destination of choice for many investors. So you are in the right place. We therefore, that's Kenya, look forward to benefit from the advanced wind and solar energy technologies through knowledge sharing and increased investment and partnership with the Dutch institutions and companies so as to attain the 100% renewable energy target that we have set for ourselves to achieve by the year 2030.
Tuthina mbere nĩ atĩ kuna atĩ gĩthomo nĩkĩo cabi ya kũhingũra mĩrango ĩtiganĩte na makĩria mũtũrĩre-inĩ. Rũrĩrĩ rwa Pokot nĩ rũrĩtio gwĩtĩkĩra gũthingatithia na makĩria mathomo gũthomithia ciana ciao nĩguo kũhukia wagi wa gĩthomo mwena ũyũ. Ritana rĩrĩ rĩkĩtio nĩ Speaker wa bunge ya gĩbũrũri Moses Masika Wetangula mena seneta wa kaunti ya Bungoma Wafula Wakori hĩndĩ ya gũkũngũĩra wabici njerũ cia CDF mwena ũcio wa Pokot ya ithũĩro. Wafula nĩeranĩire atĩ bunge ya Senate nĩ gũtigĩrĩra atĩ ministry ya ũgitĩri nĩ yahukia ciĩko cia ũhũthũ wa ũgitĩri na njĩra nene, kuona atĩ nĩ ũndũ wa maũndũ mamwe makomagũmĩire mwena ũcio. Mũnene wake mũmbunge wa Kacheliba nĩaugĩte atĩ tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere na kuonekana makĩria iria irahutia sekta ya gĩthomo.
Nataka kuwasihi ndugu zetu wa Pokot, kama jamii zote za Kenya, tupeleke watoto shule wasome, kwa sababu masomo ambayo mtoto wa hapa anapata, mtihani mtoto wa hapa anafanya ni sambamba na ile ya wa Nairobi, wale wa Bungoma, wa Kisumu, wa Mombasa, wa kila mahali. Kwa hivyo tutahakikisha kule bungeni, kama ni walimu, mnapata walimu wa kutosha. Kama ni kuletewa vifaa vya elimu, mnaletewa vifaa vya kutosha. Na wakati wanachukua watu kwenda kusoma, lazima kwota ya Mpokoti ilindwe, yeye pia aende kusomea udaktari, uinjinia, kuwa mawakili na kila kitu. Mimi kama spika wao nitaendelea kuhakikisha CDF inalindwa kisheria, CDF inaongezwa, CDF inatumiwa vizuri kwa maslahi ya wananchi. Tunataka Wakenya tuishi kwa usalama, na mnajua nyinyi wa Pokot hakuna jamii ya Kenya iliumia wakati wa wakoloni kuliko wa Pokot. Hii ilikuwa inaitwa the closed district, ambayo serikali ya wakoloni ilikuwa inafunga, hakuna mtu anaingia, wanakuja wananyanyasa watu, wanapiga watu, wanafunga watu. Lakini uhuru tulio nayo, lazima Pokot afikirie na ajivunie kuwa Kenya.
Aya, riboti kuma kũrĩa kaunti ya Pokot ya betu tware kahinda-inĩ gaitũ kambere ka gũikĩria koguo ndũgetikĩre gũthiĩra mĩtambo nĩ amu nĩ tũracokereria na riboti makĩria.
Numa nikimuthe.
Atiriri tikana inani. Nitiramenya uria ndireka. Mbeca nyingi ni ciakwa. Tari keije ki uria ndireka na Leki.
Murenda munjira kuwa thiku na taitu.
Ure ni tumubuate tukaro.
Tumubuate. Muthe.
Kunde guku. Ni ucio.
Ni woka. Atiriri. We uronetio ku. Ni bana kai kuria turendia 550.
Kakwira kugi.
Ini ha makuta na phase 2. Na kuona kuturendia 350.
Na deposit oigana.
Na igana rimwe ici ndio kayo mweke ukari kahora kahora.
Ni ndironetio baraka kuria kwina rugiri rwa thitima na kwina mai.
Aya! Niko. Ini huko kwa ndagima gutire buro tietari taitu. Na nikio ndimwiraga ndagima.
Nekuga na gwika.
Yani
Bururi-inĩ wa Mũgĩkũyũ tukiugaga ati wona cihanda wega
thaa imwe cia hwaĩ-inĩ
tukiugaga nĩ mathaa ma mbũri ikĩingĩra
na ithuĩ nĩ twambĩkĩte hema kaunti ciothe 47
tukirongoreria marĩa matũkoniĩ tũrĩ ta nyũmba ya mũmbi
nĩ amu nyũmba nini ĩciraga ũtukũ
gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ tũkũmenyithia marĩa maragĩthiĩ na mbere na gũkunũka
tondũ nyũmba nini ĩciraga ũtukũ
nĩ o mũthenya wona cihanda thaa ĩmwe hwaĩ-inĩ
na thaa 3 cia ũtukũ nyitanagĩra na niĩ wa itherero wa Njoroge Baire wa Mararo na niĩ wa Njiro wa Maina niĩ wanja wa Wanjiro ndĩhandĩte iharo-inĩ
kũmenyithia ũrĩa bũrũri ũregariũra
nayo ceceni tiĩngĩ
ceceni-inĩ yaku wendete ya Mũthingi TV
tũkĩrongoreria marĩa matũkoniĩ ta nyũmba ya mũmbi.
Hey darling, are we still on for a coffee date?
I'm waiting for you to come and pick me up.
I should be able to pick you in a few.
It's a coffee yogurt date?
It's not just a yogurt, it's royal coffee yogurt.
Flow with the sweet taste of thick and smooth Royal Fresh coffee yogurt. Royal Fresh, the royal taste of freshness.
Haya, tuthie na mbere mwirori wa Mũthingi TV ni twacokereria thutha wa imakania cia kana thutha wa imakania cia Shakahola kwiyumiria riu governor wa Bungoma Ken Lusaka arenda Eliud Wekesa na uria wikitaga kana na uria wikaine ta Yesu Watongaren guthuthurio ni kiriugite ati niwe kwita Jesu guku gukirikana ati ni arahingisha andu aingi. Lusaka ugite ati ahunjia guthita kadi na utunga maumite kaunti-ini iyo na koguo ndegwitikira ahunjia a maheni kuhingisha aikari kaunti iyo.
I further call upon the security agencies within Bungoma County to move with speed and investigate the character of Jehovah Wanyonyi and Yesu Waitongereni so as to establish if there are any atrocities being committed against humanity by the cultic practices they profess. The investigative agencies should also extend their attention to any other suspicious churches whose conduct and teachings are questionable. Na tunamcha Mungu, lakini kulikuwa na maadili fulani ile tulikuwa tunafuata kwa kanisa. Mimi ni Mwanglikana, kuna wa Catholics, kuna wa Kweka, kuna wala kanisa ambazo kweli zinajulikana na wanafanya vitu ambazo zinaeleweka. Lakini hii confusion ambayo imekuja hatuwezi kukubali. Na vile nimesema kwa taarifa ya kimombo ni kwamba Bungoma tumekuwa na bahati ya kukuwa na viongozi wa kusimamia kanisa. Tumekuwa na Morris Cardinal Otunga. Sasa hii watu wanakitokeza kusema ati Yesu Waitongereni wanatokezea wapi? Kwa hivyo sisi tumesema hii watu wote washikwe na wahojiwe ili tuweze kujua hii confusion inatoka, because we must give direction to our people.
Haya, tuthi na mbere ni ati thukuru wa mathomo ma ngathi ya iguru wa Embu ni urikitie kwihotanira ngoga ya shabiki bora na thengia ya mauritu maria mathiete na mbere na gutungana na makiria sekta-ini ya githomo ari hamwe na wagi wa kigina maya mokite thutha wao kuguithia ngarama ya urutu wa wira na gutigirira ati ni kigina kiki ni giathaitirwo na kurutithio mawira mangi matiganite.
So I would say that the performance that we are celebrating or that we were awarded as the top state corporation was for the financial year 2020-2021, where we emerged the best with a score of 1.7272. In performance contracting, the best score is the lower the score is, the better. So we earned 1.7272.
Financial crisis is something that we are battling with. Even as here at the University of Embu, we have our own financial challenges. Doesn't mean that we are not facing our own financial challenges. We are there. But I think what needs to be done is universities need to be supported properly, especially by the government, the exchequer. If you look at universities, public universities around over, they are really very supported by the government.
But we also performed very, very well in other categories. For example, one of the key categories is financial stewardship, which looks at how management of finances, absorption of money is done. It looks at generation of A&A or incomes that are supposed to be generated within the university. It looks at payments. Issues like pending bills are there. As the VC has mentioned, we don't have any pending bills. So that's another category that we performed very, very well.
Haya, na tugithi na mbere ni ati kwirwo eri akuruta mwana uria wikaine ta Bibi Sagini Maitho riu kwirikanite ati mari na cira wa gucokia eri cio na aria makana kurerikana matabanirie giko giki kia unyamu Dithemba tariki 13 matanyitwo gukinyio igoti-ini tariki 5 mweri-ini uyu turorete wa Mei guku nao andu aigano na magithi na mbere na guthi na mbere kana mathiite na mbere na gutamania wira wao.
The parties are in agreement. The defense is allowed a last adjournment as requested by Mr. Magara, appearing for the first to the third accused persons. As the first accused person has also been adversely mentioned by the second accused person during his cross-examination, and there being no objection from the state, the defense's application to recall DW1 is hereby allowed. However, such recall shall only be limited to the issues as defined by Mr. Magara in his application to recall DW1. As for the calling of other witnesses in support of the defense case, the defense is directed to communicate to the prosecution by close of business 2nd of May, Tuesday, on the number and nature of witnesses they intend to call to enable the prosecution and the counsel's watching brief adequately prepare for the hearing of the defense case. We proceed for further defense hearing on the 5th of May.
Na muthia mohoro kuma metha-ini itu ya mohoro matha-ini maya na koguo ngakwirithirie wiroreri mwega ni tucemani na wona cihanda wega thaa 2 na ni cia hwaini ngithi na mbere na kwambikira kana gukumenyithia maria maragithi na mbere na kuhanika na makiria kaunti ciothe 47 guku ni kwa Muthingi TV iria kwani Kariuki wa Nduati.